Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how to transfer crypto from AscendEX to crypto.com. The first thing you need to do is to go over to AscendEX and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the top right and go over to Wallet. Here you need to click on Cash Account. You'll then be sent over to this page, and over on this page you'll see all the tokens or cryptocurrencies you're holding. So what you need to do now is to decide which currency you want to transfer. For me, that will be Algorand. Once you have decided which coin you want to transfer, you can go to the right of the coin and click on the withdrawal button. Over on this page, you'll see that once you have selected the coin you want to transfer and the network you want to use, you'll now need to go ahead and fill in your address. By the way, if you don't know which network to use, I recommend you do a quick Google search. For example, you could Google something like which network does support withdrawing and then the name of your cryptocurrency. So once you have decided the coin you want to transfer and the network you want to use, you will now need to open up the crypto.com app. Also, if you're using crypto.com on the browser, it will work the same. So once you have opened up the crypto.com app, you need to click on transfer and then select deposit. You'll then need to choose between depositing crypto and fiat. Since we're transferring crypto, we're going with crypto. You'll then get this pop-up and you'll then need to search for the coin you want to transfer. So you can go over to the top right and click on the magnifier. Since the coin I want to transfer is Algorand, I'll search for Algo. Always make sure to select the same coin on the AscendEX as on crypto.com, because if you send your crypto to the address of another coin, you will lose all the funds you're transferring. If you're not sure how to get your address from your phone to your computer, you can click on share address and then send it to someone you trust on WhatsApp. Or what I like to do is to send it in a private group of mine. So once you have shared your address on WhatsApp, you can go back over to your computer and then go over to web.whatsapp. So once you have copied your address, you can go back over to AscendEX and copy and paste your address in. Now all that's left to do is to fill in the amount you want to transfer. You can fill in the amount manually, or if you would like to send all of your holdings, you can go over to the All button and click on it. By doing so, you will select all of your available holdings. Once you have filled in everything you need to fill in, now you'll need to click on confirm. You'll then get this withdrawal or confirmation. Please double check all the information to make sure you haven't made any unnecessary mistakes, and then click on confirm. You'll now need to go through the security verification process. So basically all you need to do is to click on send code and then fill in the 6-figure codes you will receive. So once you have filled in all the verification codes, the last thing you need to do to transfer from AscendEX to crypto.com is to click on verify now. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.